Also, maybe the sense that they just to wait for them to fall on their own sword. But
No, they
I
don't do that.
you want to wait or crash the gate, as they say.
Yeah, they won't fall on their own. So they don't have shame. I mean, but again, they've locked us in our homes, and
They'd like falling on their own sword too much anyway.
no, I don't think they would. I think that they are. I think that they're tough. They're mean, but they're not tough. And it takes toughness to fall on your sword. These are primarily people